Today I'll be unboxing and reviews an AX routers, or better known as Wi-Fi 6, that cost less than Rm300 ringgit. On my side here is the TP-Link Archer AX20s that going for Rm279 ringgit, targeted small medium houses, condos and even small offices. Here are some differences between AX and AC routers. Comparatively speaking, the maximum speed of a single 802.11 AC streams is roughly 866 megabit per second, whereas the single streams of AX Wi-Fi is 1.2 gigabit per second. Secondly is the multi-user MIMOs and OFDMA. On Wi-Fi 5, the multi-user MIMOs is only limited to outgoing signals, where the Wi-Fi 6 now support both incoming and outgoing signals, meaning the latency of waiting for downloads and upload will greatly improve. With OFDMA, it reduces bandwidth waste by dividing a wireless channels into smaller and smaller subcarriers to divide up bandwidth among users. With this, it can deliver and receive more data in the shortest time. It also features BSS colors and target wake times like other Wi-Fi 6 routers. Let's unbox the TP-Link Archer AX20s. Firstly, you will see some documents, followed by power adapters, LAN cables, and lastly the Archer AX20 routers. First off, you will notice 4 non-removable but adjustable antennas. Because this router is a dual band router, 2 out of 4 antennas are for 2.4 GHz networks and the other 2 is for 5 GHz networks. On the rear, you'll get WPS button for quick pairings, reset buttons, LED to turn off the LED indicators, USB for file sharings, 1 gigabit WAN ports, and 4 gigabit LAN ports, and power buttons. Viewing from the top, you see a huge shiny X logo shouting that this is an AX router. Setting this up is pretty simple with TP-Link Tetris apps that's available for both Android and iOS. You can still consider the old way via the web browsers with more advanced settings. Basically, I'm replacing over my current Maxis routers, therefore I'll be connecting my modems to TP-Link Archer AX20 WAN ports. Do take note, this router is compatible with IPTV, so you don't have to worry about losing your favorite IPTV access like HIP TVs and Maxis IPTVs. Power it on and flick over the router, locate the SSIDs and pin. Go to your device Wi-Fi settings, look up for the SSID and connect. Launch the TP-Link Tetris app. The TP-Link Archer AX20 should prompt up. Input all the required details and select PPPoE as your connection type. Key in your ISP account username, password, and lastly create your preferred SSID and password. Connect to the SSID you have created and you should be connected to the internet by now. In the app, it allows you to control QoS, the usual parental controls, enabling guest networks, and this is one useful feature, reboot schedule. This allows you to reset your routers on a specific date and time so you can have the best internet connection. Because the WAN and LAN ports support gigabit, the router should work with up to 1 gigabit fiber plan. Under the hood is the powerful Broadcom 1.5 GHz quad-core ARM processor. The router also supports beamforming technology that will concentrate signal strength to your connected device. Here are some internet connection performance tests on the Maxis Home Fiber 300 MB comparing the stock Maxis AC routers and the TP-Link Archer AX20. The dual band on the Archer AX20 has much better internet performance and offer higher link speed compared to the stock Maxis routers. There were already more Wi-Fi enabled devices introduced last year like the Apple iPhone 11, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, tablets, PCIe Wi-Fi cards, and much more. If you are thinking to get the new routers, you can consider the TP-Link Archer AX20s. It's backward compatible, and what if in one day if you are getting a Wi-Fi 6 devices, you enjoy the full perks of Wi-Fi 6. You can get the TP-Link Archer AX20s now for Rm279 ringgit from TP-Link's official online stores like Shopee and Lazada, and as well as TP-Link's authorized store nationwide. We do a lot of how-tos, text unboxings and reviews on these channels. Do consider subscribe to the channels and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys in the next one.